What's up, y'all? It's your girl Christian Danielle, and welcome back. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, y'all already know who y'all are. Y'all are the real MVPs. So today we are working on our waistline still. If you've been watching my videos thus far this year, you know we have one goal and one mission all 2023, and that is to get right, get tight, get fit. And we all the way coming for the summer, okay? Okay, so today I am going to show you guys one of the tactics that I'm using at the very moment to cut it down, slim it down around the waistline, and you can incorporate this into your life and in your journey to come for the summer as well, okay? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a weight loss, like detox water drink. I have been incorporating this drink ever since I began my fitness journey this year, which I started at the end of 2022, right after my birthday in November, so like the 28th-ish of November, and I've been continuing it until now. So I've been incorporating this particular drink since then. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it because it's going to be perfect for helping you cut down around the waist, lose a little bit of that extra that we don't want, and it's going to be great for not only your weight loss, but it's going to be great for your overall health. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this drink because it's also good, okay? That's one thing when it comes to being healthy. Everything ain't that good, but this drink is good. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it right now. So without further ado, let's get it.
Okay, so we're going to start with a quick overview of what we're going to need for this particular drink. So of course you're going to need a blender. I just busted out my handy dandy Ninja. Y'all know I love this thing. I use it for almost everything. It is a individual blender. You can use any blender. This is just the one I'm going to use today. And then you're going to need some apple cider vinegar, which I'm going to use the Bragg apple cider vinegar with the mother. And then you're going to need one of each item that you see here. So I have about a cup of pineapple chunks, half of a cucumber, a thumb size of ginger, and one small lemon and one medium to small orange. And then for the container that's going to house our drink, we're going to be using this bottle here, which is the Gym Keg. I purchased this on Amazon. You can either use this or the Hydramate or something similar. I'll leave some links in the description box. So let's get this little drink show on the road. So we're gonna start with our ginger, and you're just gonna lightly peel off the skin. And it should look like this when you get all the skin off. Then what you're gonna do from there is just cut it up into some little tiny pieces. It should look something like this once it's all chopped up. Then you're just going to take like a little small cup, bowl, anything similar to this. And you are going to take the ginger and you're just going to place it right inside. Then you're going to add some water that just covers the top of the ginger. You're going to grab the ginger, mix it up a little bit, and set it to the side. Then next we're going to take our lemon. And we are going to cut it up. You can cut it however you like, thin strips, thick strips, little slices, little pieces, big pieces, whatever you like. Then we're going to do the same with our orange. Again, slice it up however size pieces that you like. And it should roughly look like something like this. Easy peasy. Now we're going to slice up our cucumber. Now it's up to you. You can either leave the skin on or peel the skin off. I'm going to leave the skin on. I always leave my skin on my cucumbers, no matter whether I'm eating them whole or if I'm blending them up in a smoothie. I always leave the skin on. So it's definitely up to you, to each its own. And you don't really have to, cut them too small. They're just going to get thrown in the blender. So just cut them enough to fit in your blender, something like this. Then we're just going to grab our blender top and throw in our cucumbers. Then you're going to follow up with your pineapples. Then you're going to add your water. If you're using a 1-cup blender like me, you're going to add your water to the water line. If you're using a regular blender, you're just going to pour the water until it's right above the fruit. Then we're going to screw our top back on, shake it up a little bit, and then get to blending. And you're gonna blend it until it's a nice, like very, very, very smooth, watery texture, just like that. Now it's time to strain our liquid. So we're just gonna use this strainer here. This is just a medium-sized strainer. You can use any size strainer that you have in your kitchen. Then we're gonna grab our measuring cup, place our strainer right over the top, and then we're gonna pour our liquid through the strainer into the cup. Then you're gonna take a spoon and you're gonna just stir the mixture in the strainer, and you're gonna keep stirring until all the liquid is separated from the pulp. And this is what it should look like once all the liquid has been separated from the pulp. It just looks like a little sticky piece of paste. And you can refrigerate the paste and use it in your food and smoothies. Now we're gonna go back to our ginger and prepare that. So all you're gonna do is take the ginger in the water and pour the ginger and the water back into your blender cup. Screw the top back on and blend it up just like this until it's a nice liquidy consistency like this. And just like before, we're going to strain the liquid, separating the liquid from the pulp. Same deal, take your spoon and press all the liquid through. And once you're done, you should have like a little sticky looking piece of paste like this. Now we're going to grab our gem keg and we are going to fill it up and start mixing this drink together. So first we're gonna grab our lemons and our oranges and we're gonna just place them right into the bottle, just like so. And this is what it looks like sitting right on the bottom of our keg. Next, we're gonna grab our apple cider vinegar and we're gonna grab a spoon, a tablespoon that is, and we are going to pour 2 tablespoons into the jug. Then we're going to grab our jug and our juice and our strainer, and we're going to strain the juice one more time, and we're going to pour it through the strainer into the jug. Grab our spoon and one more time separating the liquid from the pulp. And here's another quick look at what it should look like. Then you're just going to take some water and you're going to fill the jug the rest of the way up, all the way to the top with water. Screw the top back on and boom, there we have it, all done. And from here, you will put the jug in the refrigerator and refrigerate until cold. Once cold, then enjoy. Now earlier I explained that you can use the gem keg or the Hydro Mate. When it comes to choosing the bottles, one of the pluses of using the gem keg is it comes with this sleeve. So after you take your drink out of the refrigerator, it tends to sweat. And with this sweat sleeve, you don't have to worry about that. So you could just place it right over the bottle, just like this, by sliding it right over the top and putting it on like it's a little t-shirt. And as soon as you put it on, now you don't have to worry about your bottle sweating, and this will absorb all the sweat. So that is the plus of purchasing the gem keg over the Hydro Mate.
Y'all, this is so good. Make sure you try out this recipe. You try this out. Tell me what you think. Leave me a comment. Tell me your results. Tell me how you feel after you drink this. This right here is the one right here. Okay. And make sure you also check out this bottle, the gem keg and the Mate Jug. I will link them both down in the description. You can make it with either or, and either way it's gonna taste good, you're gonna feel good, all of the above. Okay. And I'm telling you, it's good. So that's it, and that's all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, because as many of us can be the best versions of us, we need that. Okay. So see you guys in the next video, and again, thank you for watching.